To start or stop downloaded maps manager in Windows 11 Home, right-click on Start menu icon, select Computer Management, and then click or tap Services and Application drop-down menu. Select Services. Scroll down the screen, find Downloaded Maps Manager. Next, right-click on Downloaded Maps Manager. Select Start to start or select Stop to stop. Windows service for applications access to downloaded maps. This service is started on demand by application accessing downloaded maps. Disabling this service will prevent apps for accessing maps. Tap Start to start, tap Start to start, or uh, select Stop to stop. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.